Hello and welcome to Voronezh, Russia. I'd like to thank everyone who was involved in this grand adventure. Thank you for the wonderful weekend. We have four great hacks here today, and I'd like to give word to our participants.
Hello everyone. When you're a mobile operating service engineer, it's very important for you to know what's happening on base stations. But how could you receive their status? Maybe you should call monitoring operators and ask them. Yes, you can, but it's not so quick. We've created more comfortable solution. Our Android application provides you a map of base stations in your area of responsibility. You can watch them online, and now you don't need to call operator and ask about specific station. You can easily receive status of any station you want from any sensor you need. You want to know is BTS online and fine? Check your notifications. Maybe some stations are begging for help. Maybe main power source is offline and it works on battery, or BTS is super hot and melting. Just tap on marker and you would know everything about your station. For our demonstration, we've created a randomly generated grid of station with randomly updated metrics. There are not so many metrics now. Temperature and number of users, but enough thoughts. Let's try it out. Now you can see our Android application. Let's watch on map. There are our stations. We can watch status on any station just by tapping on it. You see, the first parameter is station ID. The second is base station temperature. It's low now. And the third is number of users. And we've got some push notifications. Oh, there are something strange happening on some base stations. When there are too many users, one incident is called revolution. And when temperature is too low, it's called Ragnarok. Also, you can watch incidents on list. Now you can see a list of station, ID, temperature, and number of users. But it's now works not so correct as on map. New notifications. It updates online. So for our demonstration, that's all that we've got. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for attention. Goodbye.
Uh, Hello everyone. We would like to introduce our application for cell network optimization. Despite on the technology evolution, still we have the problem of the radio network domain optimization because of the lots of entities that are involved on the radio exchange on the radio domain. We mean the legacy networks that are dedicated to second generation, third generation, and of course the modern LTE. Because of the problems of network planning and the bandwidth allocation and the frequency exchange, we have still the explicitity of issues that might occur during the simple operations like call establishment, packet network exchange, and for sure the handover between the cells. Because of the physics and the attenuation during the signal level exchange and explicitity on the radio network, we expecting the problems that are caused of the open space attenuation of the signal in the open space and for sure in the city. Because of that, the key performance indicators that are dedicated to monitor the performance of the cell operator equipment, we would like to introduce you the cell monitor application that will consolidate all data, not from the very expensive and sometimes very complicated equipment that used by cell operators, but with the means and direct help of the cell network subscribers. We introduce you the cell network monitor. So the basic solution stands on the event-driven application that is installed on the end subscriber's cell phone. In our example, it is Android application. So by the collecting of the events like bad handover, bad frequency exchange, or null service event, we will send this events as the timestamps to our DynamoDB, and then we will classify these events, and after that we will consolidate it in a single and user-friendly interface that will be provided to the network operators. We don't store any information about the end users because we use in the very simple exchange of the information between the end user and the operator. The user provides us only his device, and then we transmit the cell phone to the operator directly, where we grab back the unique ID to generate a unique session that will be that will collect all the data dedicated to the cell network monitoring. The basic use cases that will be monitored by our application are three types of handover. The hot handover is when the end mobile station will not operate between the two cells because bad frequency exchange, and some soft handovers parameters that can be monitored during the signal exchange and bad signal attenuation. And for sure, we can monitor the signal attenuation directly from the device because every single device that are involved in this signal exchange uses the GSM equipment on the end device. And now we would like to introduce our demo. here, here is our cell network monitor. So we had a drive test around our city to classify the cells and the base stations involved in signaling change for the one session ID from the one device. And we have filtered the critical events. For example, no service. That was caused because the device was not in the network, was not connected. The peak increase of the signal during our track around our ringway, and for sure the handovers. From that statistics, operator can analyze such bad handovers as we can see here, because during this pass of the car, during this ring road, we can see that there was number of not allocated and not good handovers, because during, if we can see this ASU, absolute signaling unit, of the received signal from the base stations, these handovers were not, they were compromised, and the changing of the cell was not expecting, because in this place we have two base stations situated here and there, and this resignaling and the retransmission of the user signals was critical. So from this we can analyze the network. Thank you very much for your attention.
Hello everyone. We want to introduce you a smart food shop for care for. Most online smart shops are only represents as catalogs, and we want to introduce our solution for our approach for this case. We want to add new functions to the customer's experience while they browsing and buying something in our smart food shop. Our smart shop should help our users and extend their experience by purchasing the food from our application. Here are some functions that are implemented for our solution.
Первое — это покупка по рецептам.
The first thing is direct recipe purchasing.
Пользователь видит как рецепты в списке продуктов,
They can see the direct shop list in our application,
также и продукты в списке рецептов.
and also the standalone products from their shop list. So we're expecting some problems with our presentation.
Окей. И как один из плюсов для интернет-магазина — это дополнительный трафик по SEO на странице рецептов.
We transmitting our traffic from our smart shop for the direct SEO optimization as is not implemented for other shops like any kind.
Пользователь приходит на страницу рецепта, видит состав, видит способ приготовления и сразу же может заказать, добавить в корзину продукты и заказать доставку, если надо.
When the user comes to our page, he can provide his shop list as the direct ingredients for some kind of the product they want to achieve.
Вторая функция — это настройки пользователя, настройки каталога для пользователя.
The second function is the user setting for specific user setting for users with some special needs.
Как пример, это непереносимости или аллергия.
For example, we providing the service to compare the shop cart for the users with some allergies and some intolerance for some products.
Эти слайд, пожалуйста, можно? Окей, sorry. Пользователь может в настройках своего профайла выбрать свои непереносимости.
The user can select from the dedicated drop box the intolerant products.
И потом в списке товаров ему будет выдаваться предупреждение, что содержатся аллергены, которые он указал.
And after that, he will be alerted for some products in the list, in his shop list, that that had contained some allergic and intolerance products for him, directly for the user.
Также можно расширить на пост или кошерную пищу.
You can extend it for the needs for the fast food.
Следующая функция — это расчет ключевой ценности корзины.
The third function is the direct calculation of the nutrition value of the product. On this slide, you can see your card and the selected products, the total price, and for sure you will see the direct nutrition value of the selected items.
Пользователь может использовать не только при одноразовой покупке продуктов, но и воспользоваться им для расчета своего недельной диеты.
The direct diet dedicated for the certain user can be calculated not only for one-time purchasing, but for the purchasing during the week, months, and so on.
Можете посмотреть наше демо по этой ссылке.
You can see our demo by using the link on the slide here. On this, I'm sorry, colleagues, we expecting some problems, and for sure we need some break for 2 minutes to fix our streaming. Sorry for the inconvenience. We have fixed our technical problems, and now we'll present in our video again.
Резюмируем то, что я рассказывал. Во-первых, это рецепты и покупка товаров по рецептам.
So once again, regarding our smart shop, we have the direct recipes that can be proposed for the users of the platform with the ingredients that can be put for the certain recipe in the cart, in the shopping cart.
Далее, настройки пользовательской непереносимости некоторым продуктам или компонентам.
For every single user of our platform, we can directly configure the intolerance warnings and some expecting allergic for the certain ingredients for the certain recipe.
Далее, насчет выводительности корзины.
And also for as a feature for our application, we introduce you the cart calculation not for only for items but the nutrition value of the products that are on the cart.
Также, естественно, это можно все расширить, потому что свои технологии, которые позволяют расширяться как бэкэнду, так и фронтенду.
We have extensions for the technologies users, and our platform can be explicit.
Также можем посмотреть наше демо.
And our demo can be reached by the link on this slide.
Один момент.
So regarding our demo,
Если пользователь не залогинен, показывает только предупреждение, почему активация аллергена.
if the user is not logged in into the system, the only warnings will be shown on the dashboard of the application for the items that probably can cause some allergy reactions for the user.
Если он ведет свои аллергены в личном кабинете, то он будет показывать красным.
For the user's dashboard, we have configurable items for possible allergies and the log for the collected items for one certain purchase and the purchase during the weeks.
Пищевой ценность каждого продукта и пищевой ценность суммарной корзины.
The nutrition value is calculated for every certain product in the cart and for sure for the cart itself.
И популярные рецепты.
And for the direct items that user have purchased, the all available and popular recipes will be shown on the dashboard.
Ну, надеемся сделать покупки более удобными для пользователя.
We would like our users to experience the very user-friendly interface and good shopping experience by using our application.
Спасибо.
Thank you very much for your attention.